Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to take you inside one of the most expensive and jaw-dropping creations in the world of luxury travel, the $5 million Prevost Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, this is a rolling masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and lifestyle. Imagine hitting the highway not in a regular RV, but in a motorhome that redefines what it means to live on the road. With features that rival private jets, five-star hotels, and luxury mansions, the Prevost is the true definition of road royalty. So buckle up as we explore this beast of elegance, and I promise, what you'll see inside will leave you speechless. Let's begin with the kitchen, because every true luxury home, even one on wheels, must have a kitchen that blends sophistication with function. The Prevost Motorhome's kitchen is a chef's paradise, designed not just for convenience, but to create a real gourmet experience while traveling. It comes with a state-of-the-art induction cooktop that allows for quick, efficient, and safe cooking, and a convection microwave oven that handles everything from baking to roasting with ease. A full-sized refrigerator, finished with premium stainless steel, keeps everything fresh as if you were still at home. The countertops are made of polished granite, giving the kitchen a refined look and feel that immediately screams luxury. The cabinetry is crafted with exotic woods, complete with soft close drawers and hidden storage compartments, maximizing space without sacrificing beauty. Integrated LED lighting enhances the vibe, making the kitchen warm and inviting at any hour. There's even a wine cooler to store your favorite bottles at the perfect temperature, and the deep stainless steel sink with a touch control faucet adds both style and practicality. Every inch of the kitchen is designed to turn cooking into a luxury experience, proving that fine dining on the road is not just possible but spectacular. Now, let's step into the bedroom, which transforms travel into a first-class retreat. The Prevost Motorhome offers a spacious king-sized bed, fitted with a memory foam mattress that molds to your body for the perfect night's sleep. The bed is framed by handcrafted wood panels and surrounded by ambient lighting that can be adjusted to set the perfect mood. Automated blackout shades give you complete privacy and control, ensuring peaceful sleep no matter where you're parked. At the foot of the bed, there's a large smart TV connected to a premium sound system, turning the space into your own personal theater. The decor is rich and tasteful, blending leather accents with custom upholstery to create an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. Storage is cleverly designed, with hidden compartments and full-sized wardrobes making it feel like you're in a luxury apartment rather than a motorhome. Climate control ensures the room always feels perfect, whether you're parked in the desert or the mountains. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary on wheels where luxury and relaxation meet seamlessly. And then comes the bathroom, where the Prevost Motorhome truly proves it belongs in the ultra-luxury class. Walking in, you're greeted by a full-sized spa-style shower, lined with high-end tiles and a rainfall shower head that provides a soothing, hotel-like experience. The vanity features dual sinks with backlit mirrors, making it not only functional, but also glamorous. Countertops are designed from premium stone, polished to perfection. Cabinetry provides ample storage for personal essentials, and there's even under-cabinet lighting for a soft nighttime glow. A heated towel rack adds a touch of indulgence, ensuring you step out of the shower into comfort and warmth. The toilet system is modern, eco-friendly, and designed for convenience, proving that even the most private space of the motorhome is treated with the highest attention to detail. Everything about this bathroom is designed to make you forget you're in a motorhome at all. It feels like a luxury spa retreat. Finally, let's take a moment to talk about the Prevost Motorhome as a whole. It's not just about individual rooms, it's about the way everything comes together to create an unmatched lifestyle on the road. From the sleek, custom-designed exterior with its powerful presence to the meticulously crafted interior, every inch reflects elegance and engineering brilliance. This motorhome is built for those who demand nothing less than perfection. combining comfort, safety, and state-of-the-art technology into one rolling mansion. The $5 million price tag isn't just about the build. It's about owning a piece of luxury that few can ever dream of. And that wraps up our tour of the $5 million Prevost Motorhome. What do you think? Would you travel the world in this ultimate luxury motorhome? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who love luxury travel, and subscribe for more exclusive tours of the world's most incredible vehicles.